Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can crochet two pieces together. I have crocheted two oval pieces with a little side on both ovals, and I'm going to crochet them together. The crocheting will go around, and in the top part I will add a zipper. The zipper is already in here, but it's with a basting stitch. I will stitch that nicely later on. For this tutorial I changed to a lighter color yarn so you can see it better. I'm going to turn it around. I started with a slip stitch, so there is room to insert the hook in the last single crochet. Now we'll insert the hook in the back loop this side, in the back loop on the other side, then yarn over, pull through the first loop, the second and the third. The first part is the hardest. Insert the back loop and the back loop on the other side, yarn over, pull through the first, second and the third. If you would pull through all the loops at once, you will split the yarn, so be gently with this. You see how I turn the hook to catch the next loop and turn it even more to catch the third. I have crocheted some more. Here you can see the result of the slip stitching the two pieces together. Thank you for watching.